back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 21st to the 25th of April 2025 on Monday. Nkosi stays calm as Msizi and Faith misinterpret him. Keletso apologizes and makes up with Katlego. Sunday and Soga celebrate while Molefe's hero claim is doubted on Tuesday. Sunday celebrates his label success but consoled Palisa, who reveal her struggles. Dorothy and Malapose discover Molefe's heroism and Keleto start reconciling with Maria on Wednesday. Palisa plans to leave but Sandile offers her a job. Molefe decides to get first aid training. Ikanyenge thanks him but he refuses money. Keleto tries to reunite Isaac and Maria, sparking Mampo's doubt on Thursday. Soga agrees to Palisa's hire, but Nkosi rejects it. Dorothy supports Molefe's decision. Mampo warns Maria, but she attended dinner where Isaac and Maria nearly kiss on Friday. Maria stops Isaac, saying they need to consider Keleto and Katlego reconcile. Isaac and Maria get back together. Sandile hires Palesa, avoiding Nkosi's approval. Molefe is confused by Ikanyeng's heart emoji. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.